Okay, so here is the SPC Dark Smoke Euro taillights for the Toyota Tacoma. This is for my 98. One of my taillights busted on there, or one of the actually lights inside of it. And so I could have ordered the rear light for it, but that would have been like 13 bucks for LEDs, and I was just like, for just one, and there's 3 of them to replace, and I had to replace 2 of them. So these right here, I was able to get them for about a little under 50 bucks, so I was really happy with that. Here's how they come shipped. Let's see if I can get this open. See how this puppy looks. So for 47 bucks, I was pretty happy. You get the regular ones, and those. How does that look? Pretty spiffy. That's, I don't know what's about this. Oh, yeah, that's gonna go to the left side. Yeah, pretty nice. So let's go ahead and try that out. I'm gonna go take it outside and install one of them. But you can tell the plug. It's just, you just straight plug it in. It should be pretty straightforward. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so just to replace this real easy, you just have these 4 screws to take out, and it just falls out, and then we'll disconnect it. Okay, so it's pretty boring at this point, so just get a regular Phillips head and start unscrewing. Okay, so at this point, we've already taken this guy off. Now you're just gonna use like a flathead screwdriver or something like that. You're just gonna go ahead and take this connector out. Be careful, you don't wanna break it, because then you'll have to fix it. So you have a knob, you press down, and then you just work it out slowly. Mine's been in here for like some 20 years, so I need to work it a little bit. But it just pops out. Come on. Okay, so you just work it back and forth like this, and it goes. Come on. There it is. Okay, so this is the new one. Just go ahead, slide it in there. It's actually really a simple process. Another thing is that this guy doesn't have any place to screw these 2 in. So go ahead and just slide it back in there and screw it back in. Get your screws, and back in they go. Okay, so this guy's in here, that guy is in over there. Yeah, it's a really easy install. It doesn't take you more than a couple minutes to do it, so I recommend you do it yourself. I wouldn't go to the dealership and get charged like 300 bucks to do this. It's not worth it. It's kind of hard to see, but that's the new one. The old one. You can kind of see it. All right, thanks for watching.